Today we are making Kabocha Purin. Kabocha is a Japanese squash and a sweet pumpkin variety. We are mixing fresh kabocha puree in purin, a popular Japanese custard dessert. Kabocha is naturally sweet and creamy, and it goes well with the classic caramel sauce. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we are going to make the caramel sauce. Combine water and sugar in a small, heavy-bottomed saucepan. Cook over medium heat without stirring until the sugar turns medium to dark brown. Carefully pour the hot caramel into a 6-inch round cake pan, tilting to coat the bottom evenly. Set aside to cool and harden. Next, we are going to make the kabocha puree. Remove the seeds of the kabocha and cut into about 2-inch or 5-centimeter cubes. And we're going to steam the cubes for about 15 to 20 minutes or microwave for 8 to 10 minutes until tender. Allow the cooked squash to cool until safe to handle and remove the skins by gently scraping the flesh with a spoon. Then press it through a mesh strainer and create a smooth puree and set it aside. Next, we are going to make the custard. In a large bowl, whisk together eggs and sugar until well combined. In a saucepan, add the cream and milk and bring it to just before boiling. Slowly pour the hot milk mixture into the egg mixture in a thin stream, whisking constantly to temper the eggs. Continue whisking vigorously through this process to prevent curdling. Add vanilla extract and kabocha puree and whisk to incorporate fully. And carefully pour the kabocha custard mixture into the caramel-lined cake pan. Place the filled cake pan in a larger baking dish with hot water filled halfway up the size of the cake pan, creating a water bath. Carefully transfer the water bath setup to the preheated oven. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let cool completely and unmold. You can also make this in smaller custard pans for individual servings or cut into 6 to 8 pieces to share. The texture might remind you of pumpkin pie filling. It's definitely a taste of fall. We hope you'll give this delightful dessert a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。